There's breaking news coming in. Plea filed in Supreme Court by BJP leader and advocate Ashwini Upadhyay to deregister Samajwadi Party for fielding known gangster and candidate and failing to publish his criminal antecedents, violating Supreme Court orders and poll panel rules. The plea claims that the Samajwadi Party Neta has fielded notorious gangster Nahid Hasan from Kairana but neither published his criminal records in electronic print or social media. Samajwadi Party candidate Nahid Hasan is in custody under the Gangster Act imposed on him about 11 months ago. So that's the big story we're breaking at the moment on India Today. The plea has been filed in the Supreme Court. This has been filed by BJP leader and advocate Ashwini Upadhyay to deregister Samajwadi Party for fielding a known gangster as a candidate and failing to publish his criminal record, violating the Supreme Court orders and the poll panel rules. Anisha Mathur is now joining us for the latest details. Anisha, the plea claims that the Samajwadi Party has fielded notorious gangster Nahid Hasan from Kairana but neither publishes criminal records in electronic print or social media, and this is something which is in violation of the poll panel rules and the Supreme Court order.
Well, yes, Shati. Remember, the Supreme Court in 2021 and even earlier had passed multiple orders saying that every political parties must, within 48 hours of declaring the candidate list, put out the criminal antecedents of every candidate, not only on its website but also in local news media and other local newspapers and at the party's web page. And in July last year, the Supreme Court bench headed by Justice Nariman had specifically warned of contempt action and deregistration of a political party if such a step was not taken. Now, with the UP elections coming up and the candidate lists being declared, this petition has been filed in the Supreme Court saying that the multiple orders of the Supreme Court have been violated and that there must be strict action taken against the Samajwadi Party for fielding such a leader, such a candidate who is in jail under the Gangster Act, who has faced multiple other FIRs. The petition is also asked for direct orders to the ECI to ensure that every political party follows the rules that were laid down in 2018 and 2020 judgments of the Supreme Court, and that it also asks the parties to explain why such a candidate has been preferred and why some person without criminal antecedents has not been given a ticket. Remember, this is something that the Supreme Court had also suggested earlier, that parties must give this explainer that why is it that they fielded a candidate with this kind of a criminal background, which has not been done. And since the court had warned of contempt action back in July after the West Bengal elections, this petition has now been filed by Ashwini Upadhyay, who's a BJP leader and advocate, saying that action should be taken against the Samajwadi Party. Now we'll have to wait and see whether the court takes some action, because this petition has just been filed this morning. Back to you.
Right, leave it at that. Thanks so much for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest details right there, Anisha.